What's the first step to using AI ethically? The first step is making sure it doesn't train off the data. This is different for every AI. Some AIs you can't disable it training off of AI, in which cases those AIs are completely unethical. If you can't opt out of training, then it's not an ethical AI. There's a difference between analyzing public data to form an opinion and training a model on that data, then letting it output responses without context, attribution, or ethical guardrails. AI doesn't generate thought, it mirrors patterns. So if those patterns come from private, sensitive, or uncredited data, the result is mimicry, not reasoning. There's a difference between reading a comment and understanding it, and embedding that comment into a machine that then pretends it thought of the rebuttal. Copying a public comment to analyze, fair, educational, transparent. Feeding it into an AI model that repeats it as if it was reasoning is theft by design. AI doesn't reason, it mimics, and if that mimicry is trained on others' thoughts, then it's not generative, it's derivative. If your model can't cite where its logic comes from, it doesn't have logic. It has pattern recognition. That's all. You reading a blog and learning equals ethical. You building an AI that memorizes that blog and spits it back as advice equals misuse. Like training a parrot to recite court testimony, then saying the parrot knows the law. What makes AI ethical? Can the AI say where it got its logic? Did the original author agree to be a data donor? And is the AI helping people learn or pretending to be smarter than it is? If the AI isn't training on the content, it's no different than search engines. Fact checking a public comment using AI is the same as using Google or DuckDuckGo to look up something. As long as the model doesn't retain or generalize that data, it's a tool for reasoning, not a machine for impersonation. This is the ethical use case, using AI to explore, question, and test ideas, not to store and mimic them. Ethical AI is using data to understand, not to impersonate. If you quote someone to prove them wrong, that's honest. If your AI quotes them without disclosure, that's dishonest. Problem isn't the analyst, the problem is the pretense. If the AI is an intelligence, it's plagiarizing without footnotes then. Just because an AI can train on public content doesn't mean it should. Ethics means drawing the line before harm occurs, not after it's scaled into millions.